6 ways SEO pros are using ChatGPT right now. New AI-powered chatbot shows great potential for revolutionizing search engine optimization. And here are some ways it's already being used. Watch out, Google, there is a new player on the search engine scene. This time it's serious. Be sure to watch this video till the end, subscribe also to the channel and support this video with like. Using artificial intelligence and massive amounts of data, it can interact with user in a conversational manner, answering follow-up questions, acknowledging mistakes, rejecting inappropriate requests, and even challenging incorrect premises. You can check some videos we have done before. While this OpenAI developed chatbot isn't a direct competitor for Google per se, it is changing the way searches are performed. And this will dramatically alter the shape of search engine optimization. In this piece, we will look at this technology and discuss innovative ways forward-thinking search engine optimizers are already using it to perform their roles. We've only begun tapping into the potential for using machine learning and artificial intelligence in SEO and marketing. It can write essays, fictional stories, poems, and even add copy, which is enough to make professional writers a little worried. It can be used to create content accurately enough that the New York City Department of Education has already banned its use amidst fears of cheating. But more than content, ChatGPT is smart enough to be used to write meta descriptions or debug code. At the moment, using it for coding is a lengthy technical process, but it seems safe to assume that it will become much easier as the learning model grows larger. It can also be used as a search assistant, providing answers to queries in clear and conscious formats to save users from combing multiple web pages to find answers to their questions. As an SEO professional, this may sound a little scary, but embracing AI technology rather than worrying about it could be a good move. Let's look at how cutting-edge SEO pros are already using ChatGPT. Ways that SEO pros are already putting ChatGPT to work. Creating content. Creating content can be hassle, particularly if you don't have a skilled writer on staff. Can ChatGPT do this for you? Well, it can, but you should probably avoid using it to write web pages and blog posts. In 2022, Google search advocate John Mueller said in no uncertain terms that the search engine views content created using artificial intelligence to be spam, a violation of the company's guidelines. At the moment, Google algorithm can identify and penalize AI-generated content, even that which uses anti-detection algorithms. You should always use human oversight when working with AI. However, everyone can safely use ChatGPT to create content for social media posts, email pitches, landing page copy for PPC, or even ad copy. It can also be a great brainstorming tool. Keyword research and analysis. Okay, so you're not willing to risk the penalties of getting caught using ChatGPT to create content. That doesn't mean you can't leverage its power as part of your content strategy. ChatGPT makes keyword research practically effortless. All you need to do is open the chatbot and type in a few of your target keywords and ask for related ones. ChatGPT will crank out a list of related keywords based on its understanding of search results. To try out this functionality, I searched the list of keywords relevant to a banking software provider. A short while later, the chatbot presented me with a list of keywords and phrases that might have taken me much longer to come up with traditional keyword research. Content strategy development. Okay, I will admit, this one blew my mind. I wouldn't even have thought of it had not I seen this tweet. That's right, you can ask ChatGPT to outline a content marketing strategy for you, while it doesn't return granular plans, though you could probably ask for those. It does provide a high-level set of tactics for content related to a specified field. One caveat that springs to mind about employing a chatbot-created content strategy is the concern that your closest competitors may do the same thing. Thus, you are all creating nearly identical blog posts about the benefits of AI, how AI SaaS can improve efficiency, better understanding of search intent. To me, this is the single most interesting SEO-related potential presented by ChatGPT. Its ability to drill down into the search query and look beyond the words to the intent of the search. Yes, Google tries to do this, and yes, it has improved dramatically over the search engine's lifespan. But to this quote, Google takes your query and attempts to answer it, and ChatGPT takes your query and will often improve upon it. Generating good SEO titles. Ask any writer and they will tell you titles are one of the most difficult things to write, particularly for SEO purposes. All too often they end up as dry things like how to build backlinks or some boring equivalent. To spice things up, I asked ChatGPT to give me a list of titles for a page on backlinks, and it responded with 10 options, all of which were more interesting than my how-to line. Composing and managing analytics reports. For many marketers, reports and spreadsheets are the banes of their professional existence. But companies want data to prove your efforts are making a difference. That's where ChatGPT can be a real game changer. More than that, this functionality can help you identify new ranking opportunities you might otherwise have missed. Let's say you want to compose regular expressions for analytics reporting, but you don't have a strong programming background. ChatGPT lets anyone with a basic knowledge of how these expressions work use the chatbot to generate a list automatically. Likewise, if you routinely struggle with Excel or Google Sheets, and who doesn't, ChatGPT can eliminate much of the headache from writing formulas and parsing data. AI presents a brave new world for SEO. ChatGPT is an extremely impressive tool, and it's easy to get carried away in the excitement of what it offers and could eventually do in the future, particularly for SEO. Just with a small sampling of the functionality discussed above, it could potentially save you hundreds of hours every year.